Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're signed in and ready. Open Google Calendar in your browser or app. First, pick the calendar where vacation should live, use your work calendar or create a dedicated one to avoid clutter. Next, confirm exact dates and time zone, and decide whether this is an all-day block or specific hours. Once you've chosen the calendar and dates, click or tap the date range to begin creating the vacation entry and move on to configuring details. Now create the event. Enter a clear title like Vacation and toggle All Day for multi-day trips. Choose out of office to auto-decline meetings or set visibility to busy so colleagues see you're unavailable. Add location, trip notes, and relevant contacts or guests if needed. Adjust notifications to remind you before travel and pick a calendar color to stand out. Once configured, double-check start/end times and recurrent settings if this repeats annually. Then prepare to save and share. Finish by saving the event and choosing to send updates to any guests or colleagues. Make sure your devices sync. Open Calendar on another device or refresh the web page to confirm the vacation shows correctly. Verify there are no conflicting events on shared calendars and adjust privacy or sharing as needed. If something goes wrong, refresh, sign out and back in, confirm calendar permissions and correct time zone, and if needed, edit the event and resave to force a sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.